Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. When you do, you are entered to win a 500 subscriber giveaway, which will either be a $40 palette and the blow dryer I got in my BoxyCharm, or a Jeffree Star mystery box. It would be like $70 mystery box or $75, whatever he comes out with. And the blow dryer in my BoxyCharm is worth about $80, so it's a pretty damn good value, plus the $40 palette. Either one, you're gonna, even if you wanted to sell it, it's pretty good. I wanted to give a quick shout out to Akoi Probacino. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. Paige Pagano, Stony Fisher, and Eva D. Toto. I'm sorry if I said that wrong too. I really appreciate your guys' support, and thank you for commenting on my video yesterday. If you're the first person to comment on my video, you will get a shout out in my next video. I mentioned several people just because Paige is a wonderful friend that comments on every single one of my videos, and she was first, but I have so many new lovely people that are commenting on my video. I don't want them left out, so I just figured I'd mention everybody. So thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate your guys' support. Your guys' comments, likes, dislikes, all of that help my video out. It helps it get viewed. When it gets viewed, there are more chances for somebody to click on the video and like it, and they might subscribe, and that brings you one step closer to a giveaway. And it's totally free to subscribe, it's totally free to like, and it just makes everything easier. So thank you so much. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. luck. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. When you subscribe, you will be entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway, which will either be $40 palette and the blow dryer I got in my BoxyLux, or a Jeffree Star mystery box. So stay tuned for that. If you want to win, all you have to do is enter and you have a chance. We are at 4:38 right now, so we are sorry, excuse me, I have like a hair or something hanging on my face. We are super close, guys. Let's do it. Let's get it. We got this, okay? Alright, I love you guys. Bye.